Hi there, Dory Sukap here, founder of Inspiration Management, and I am here with another question of the week. And this week's question comes to us from Carmen from Arizona. Carmen is asking, I hear you talk about consultations all the time. Do I really need a consultation room? Great question, Carmen. I'm so glad you asked it because I was just speaking to one of our Coach Me Platinum members, Vicky from Destiny Med Spa, and we were talking exactly about this topic. You see, this is a brand new med spa. Vicky just opened it about 6 months ago, and when I did her space planning, I had the consultation in there. But as I was speaking with her today on our private time together, I found out that she took the consultation room and converted it into actually a treatment room, thinking that she's going to be able to maximize her revenue by having another treatment room. Well, see, that's a big myth. That's a big mistake. Because you see, the consultation room is your sales center. That's where you make all your money. Because every single person that comes into your facility must go through an in-depth consultation process. And that's where you customize the entire treatment program for them so they can keep coming back for months on end. If you don't have a consultation room, then you're practicing what I call a la carte treatments. That's the worst thing you can do for your business. What you want to focus on instead is customization and programs that would last for a long time. It keeps the client coming back so they can get better results. So to answer your question, yes, the consultation room is one of the most important rooms in your business, because if you don't have it, you don't have a true sales process in place. So you've got to have it. Don't think that that's a room that's not going to generate money. That's actually the room that's going to generate all the money for you. So yes, you need it. Now, there is an art and there's a system on how to implement a great consultation process. And this system definitely works because all the clients that we help that have implemented the sacred system. It's actually a system that I share during the consultation. It's called Success with Guest Consultation Program, and it's an entire program. It's amazing. It has the manual where it explains the scripts and everything for the sacred system. It has an audio. It has all the forms that you need to actually implement a proper consultation process within your business. So don't try to reinvent the wheel. You need to get to where you want to go fast. And the way to do that is by having a blueprint that would allow you to just follow the recipe, implement, and voila, you have some great results. So I wish you the best. If you need any help or you want to know where to get this, you can go to inspirationmanagement.com, click on the shop, and there you'll find all the tools that you need to help you implement the perfect, the most successful consultation process. So I hope this was helpful for you, Carmen, and keep your questions coming. So if you too have a question, go to inspirationmanagement.com. You'll see Ask a Coach, and we'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Until next time, stay inspired.